Professional Beauty for this opportunity to meet one-on-one, business-to-business people here, and our old clients who are our friends right now, and new customers. Thank you so much. As usually, we are very happy with Professional Beauty.
It's been a very unreal 2 days for us, where we saw a flurry of crowd coming in. I think this is the biggest show we've ever experienced and come across. So I think 5-star for this show for Professional Beauty. You guys are doing great with your marketing and getting the right platform for the upcoming industry buddies to get their right connect with the product supplier.
Such a very good platform. I'd love to say so many budding artists, so many salon owners, co-owners, or people who want to get into the salon business, where they're so confused as where to go, how to go about. So this is one shop stop, one platform. So I think it's really fantastic that we've come up with something in India, and I'm really proud to be associated with this. Yeah.
This is the first time that we have been coming to the Professional Beauty. Rusk is a Professional Beauty title sponsor this year. I'm really glad to be here. Excellent is the only word. Keep doing the good job.
The Mumbai exhibition has been very interesting. We have had a lot of interest in the brand and a lot of new contacts, which is what makes the show so interesting. And there's been a lot of affluence of people, so we're very happy with the results.
It was really nice because this is the first time I have attended such kind of an event, and I came across a lot of brands that I wasn't aware of, and it was great to get introduced to these brands, and of course many new products which I didn't absolutely know about. Like, I would like to specifically talk about this hair coat product that I saw at Barina. Beauty market is going so up, and I think everybody should know about such kind of events, and they can get introduced to so many new things. So I would recommend everyone about this.
It was very good. Actually, I came to know so many brands, so more brands in over here, which I have never thought that there will be in one place. So it's a very good exposure for all the people in Maharashtra, where they get everything in one shelter.